Welcome to BeSTie, the feature-packed mobile app for Biosystems technology students. Unleash your learning potential with BeSTie. Embark on an extraordinary learning journey where you'll discover interactive lessons, comprehensive study materials, and a supportive community of learners. Why should you join BeSTie? We have a team of experts passionate about providing the best educational materials and support for students. Our resources are designed to make learning engaging and effective, while our community connects you with peers and subject experts. Want to know more about BeSTie? Visit our website to learn about BeSTie Pro, features for teachers, payment options, and how to contact us. Explore a world of engaging learning content with BeSTie. Access MCQ sets, quizzes, model papers, find tuition, ask questions, access past papers, practical guides, and comprehensive lesson notes. BeSTie offers multiple choice question sets, MCQ, for grade 12 and 13, helping enhance your understanding of each lesson. Save your progress and check your answers to track your learning journey. Enable the timer, compare answers, retry questions, and keep track of your scores with BeSTie's user-friendly features. BeSTie provides interactive quizzes to test your knowledge and model papers with answers covering a wide range of topics, helping you prepare for exams. Join the BeSTie community to share knowledge, ask subject-related questions, and receive timely and helpful responses from a network of students, teachers, and subject experts. Participate in our weekly and monthly free webinars to expand your knowledge, gain valuable insights, and stay updated. You can also request specialized webinars tailored to your needs. BeSTie makes learning easy and accessible anytime, anywhere. With just a few taps on your mobile device, you can access a range of interactive and engaging learning resources. For more information, contact us via email or visit our website. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube for updates and subscribe to our channel. Download BeSTie now and start your learning journey. Get it on Google Play.